Want a natural facelift without Botox or surgery? These 8 anti-aging exercises will lift, tone, and rejuvenate your face. And you only need 5 minutes a day. Each exercise lasts approximately 30 seconds. 1 jawline toner. Start by tilting your head back slightly. Push your lower jaw forward and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat slowly 5 times. This helps tighten your jawline and reduce double chin appearance. 2. Neck wrinkle smoother. Place your palm on your collarbone, tilt your head back, and extend your bottom lip upward. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. This tones your neck muscles and smoothens fine lines. 3 mouth wrinkle eraser. Say O and E in an exaggerated way, stretching the mouth muscles without wrinkling your forehead. Repeat 10 times slowly. It firms the skin around your mouth and lifts saggy corners. 4. Smile line softener. Below nose. Place 2 fingers just beside your nostrils. Smile widely while pressing gently upward. This targets the lines under your nose and strengthens cheek muscles. 5 cheek lifter. Puff your cheeks with air and move it side to side slowly. Do this for 30 seconds. It helps in lifting saggy cheeks and boosts circulation. 6 mouth smoothener. Use your fingertips to massage around your mouth in small circular motions. This boosts blood flow and reduces tension in the area. 7 frown line relaxer. Place 2 fingers between your eyebrows. Gently press and make an angry frown while resisting with your fingers. Hold for 5 seconds, release, and repeat. This smooths the 11 lines and relaxes your forehead. 8. Lip and mouth corner lifter. Smile while keeping your lips closed and place fingers on corners of your lips. Lift slightly upward with your fingers as you resist with a smile. This strengthens lip muscles and lifts sagging corners. Consistency is everything. Do these exercises daily and you'll start noticing visible changes in just 7 days. Want the full 7-day anti-aging challenge with printable guides and daily reminders? Join my Telegram group. The link is in the description and pinned comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Cenaz for more natural beauty tips every week. Let's glow naturally!